Although Mazda has been manufacturing electric cars for a while, this is its first plug-in hybrid, and with this move, Mazda's intention of entering the premium and luxury cars market is quite apparent. But luxury isn't the only thing. Mazda ensures that the CX-90 will be extremely practical and exquisite, and it comes with many great features and a powerful drivetrain. So let's look at 9 reasons why you should buy the 2024 Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid. Besides being Mazda's first plug-in hybrid, the Mazda CX-90 comes equipped with a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine and a 63 kilowatts electric motor powered by a 17 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack. This all-wheel drive's internal combustion engine trim can generate 280 ponies, while the hybrid trim can whoop out a respectable 323 horses. Additionally, the Mazda CX-90 internal combustion engine version needs 7.2 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, so you can expect a slightly better acceleration time from this hybrid trim. Along with this drivetrain, the CX-90 hybrid also comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and is an all-wheel drive. Furthermore, the Mazda CX-90 hybrid comes with a total towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, which isn't bad at all. Powerful performance coupled with smooth handling dynamics is among the 2 factors which make the CX-90 Mazda stand out. The Mazda CX-90 hybrid does seem to have plenty of space. This 8-seater SUV offers 3 rows of seats, and with 36.9 cubic feet of headroom in the 3rd row, it is apparent that this hybrid SUV is quite spacious. You can get CX-90 Mazda either with dual captain's chairs or a 2nd-row bench seat. As far as cargo space goes, you have nothing to complain about. This hybrid SUV comes with 14.9 cubic feet of space behind the 3rd and 40.0 cubic feet of space with the 2nd row down. With 2 rows of seats down, you can open up a generous 74.2 cubic feet of space. In addition to this, there is additional cargo space under the floorboard. Apart from being equipped with a 17 kilowatt-hour battery pack, this plug-in hybrid also comes with an onboard power generator. The plug-in hybrid preferred trim comes with just one 12-volt power outlet, while the plug-in hybrid premium comes with 2 power outlets, a 12-volt outlet, and a 1,500-watt accessory outlet. The most expensive plug-in hybrid premium plus comes with all the above and an extra 150-watt accessory power outlet. This onboard power generator can be used to power your laptops, phones, and other devices on the go. On the other hand, this feature will definitely be useful when you go on road trips or camping trips. It can also be used to power fairly large appliances at work sites. Although the Mazda CX-90's base trim will cost you $40,970, including destination, the hybrid trim, the CX-90 Mazda Superactive Preferred Plug-in Hybrid, will cost you $47,445 and can go up to $56,950. Of course, this is a bit costly, but if you consider the fact that Mazda is also entering the line of premium cars with the release of the CX-90, it could be argued that this hybrid SUV is reasonably priced. Another point to remember is that this SUV offers a great amalgam of luxury and practical features, making it worth the price. Regardless of how much you're willing to spend, it's value for money that matters, and this hybrid is definitely up there. As mentioned earlier, Mazda's intention of entering the luxury car line is quite evident. The seats come covered with Nappa leather paired with wood-trimmed interiors. Now, if you wish to get your hands on the trim with Nappa leather, you have to shell out a few extra bucks. But the lower trims, although it doesn't come with the soft Nappa leather seat covers, the covers are still styled in an elegant manner. The plug-in hybrid premium plus also comes with door panels that match the interiors and are contrasted with stitching and styling throughout the interior of this hybrid. Furthermore, every trim has its steering wheel and the shift knobs covered with leather and also comes with carpet floor mats. It goes without saying that Mazda has put quite a lot of effort into making the Mazda CX-90 hybrid grand yet utilitarian. The CX-90 hybrid comes riddled with features. To begin with, apart from donning Nappa leather seats, this hybrid also comes with heated front seats and remote-operated door release options. The plug-in hybrid Premium Plus not only has heated seats, but it comes with a heated steering wheel as well. This 8-seater also comes with a 10.25-inch full-color infotainment display system that can be voice-operated, and the costlier plug-in hybrid Premium Plus trim gets a 12.3-inch infotainment display system. While Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard in all trims, the premium trims also come with the Mazda navigation system and Sirius XM satellite radio with a free 3-month trial subscription. The premium trims also come with a wireless phone charger as well as a Bose Centerpoint surround sound system with 12 speakers spread across the SUV. Additionally, every trim gets a Pandora Internet radio integration. According to Mazda, this plug-in hybrid comes with an impressive miles per gallon gasoline equivalent EPA estimated rating of 25 miles per gallon combined. The miles per gallon gasoline equivalent rating of this hybrid is more than its internal combustion engine counterpart, which got a combined rating of 24 miles per gallon gasoline equivalent on city roads. If you were to use the all-electric mode, the 17 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery is only good for an estimated 25 miles per charge. But the number bumps up to 490 miles when combined with the 2.5-liter inline-4 engine. The 17 kilowatt-hour battery pack needs a rather long time to charge on a 120-volt outlet, but with a 240-volt charger, this hybrid can replenish itself from 20 to 80% within a mere 30 minutes. Apart from donning snazzy interiors, the CX-90 also comes with a pretty nifty-looking exterior. To further accentuate its look, the CX-90 also comes with a power-sliding panoramic moonroof with a tilt feature. But here's the standout part: Mazda came up with a new shade of red with hints of black, the Artisan Red. This new shade was specifically designed to create surface deflections. To further expand on it, this color was designed to interact with its surroundings. In essence, it appears to change color depending on the surrounding colors. This particular feature is among the most interesting ones. The CX-90 comes laden with exemplary safety features. Every trim comes with a pair of front airbags, weight sensors, and front knee airbags. The CX-90 features a driver assistance feature known as iActive Essence. The iActive Essence incorporates automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and much more. But the premium trims come with added features such as driver attention alert, engine immobilizer anti-theft system, vehicle exit warning, a tire pressure monitoring system, head-on traffic avoidance assist, and a slew of similarly cool safety features. Additionally, the CX-90 Mazda plug-in hybrid premium also has a secondary collision reduction system as well as smart brake support.